Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 BMW X1 xDrive28i SAV. It's got the Premium Enhanced Package, the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's painted in Black Sapphire Metallic on black. All right, we'll start here at the back. So as we come up to the lift gate, it is a power lift gate. As you can see there, it comes up and you can see the storage capacity back here. So great storage capacity here on these X1s. The seats do fold down flat as well. I'll lift this up here so you can see we do have more storage underneath as well. We got a 12-volt socket there, and we got some cubbies back here. It's got the luggage shade here, as you can see, that folds up and that is removable. I'll push that button there and we'll close it up and we'll zoom out. You can see it has the full panoramic roof. There's your antenna. We got the body color spoiler back here. It's gonna get LED taillights, obviously. X1 badge there, and then here's your xDrive28i badge. We'll just step back here. You can see, get that view there, and we'll spin it around. We'll check out the wheels next. Okay, as we make our way to the wheels, you can see it has these really cool aluminum wheels. It's actually a 5-spoke wheel, and the outer part is removable, so you can run a true 5-spoke if you like, or this wheel here. BMW center plate there, and we do have the hang coupe tires. The tire size is a 225 55 R18, and we got the red brake calipers. I'll show you the front here. So same size tire in the front, looking great. We'll show you the interior next. So we get the black interior here. We got the upgraded Harmon Kardon sound system. Here's your door release there and your power windows. Front seats here from the rear, and we do have the console in the center with the HVAC and your media plugs. We got the BMW all-weather floor mats here. Here is your rear seat. You can see it looks great here. Got the 3 headrests, and then we do have the centerpiece here that folds down with the cup holders that comes up, and all these three comes in 3 sections that you can fold down. Here's the view of that panoramic roof. It of course has the power shade as well. Let's close that door and show you the front door here. Again, the Harmon Kardon sound system. You got power locks there and windows. Look at the dash on this side here, nice and tidy and clean. You can see that large screen in the center there. We'll open up the glove box next. You can see you got the books in there. Here's our door jambs. And again, the BMW floor liners. Your power seats here, 8-way, and show you the bucket seats here. Very nice. And again, one more view of that panoramic roof. All right, we'll close up the door here and we'll start here. Walk down the vehicle to give you that profile. There's your antenna, and there's your full panoramic roof. You can see it's got the 2 shades there, body colored mirrors with the signals built in. We can see the camera there. We have the body colored door handles there. As you can see, there's your wheels from this angle here. We'll just stop it right here. I'm going to try to get down here and get a good angle, and look at my hand here. That paint is reflective just like a mirror. It looks awesome. All right, BMW LED headlights, as you can see right there, nice and bright. Here's our front bumper. You can see that BMW signature grille. Here is our hood liner, and then down here you can see our power plant. So it's the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's paired to the 7-speed automatic transmission. All right, we'll close up the hood here. We'll just step back, show you the beautiful paint here. Look at that, reflections here. You can see the beautiful metallic in the paint as well. So it's already been 5-stage polished by our team. So this one is ready to go. You can see it looks spectacular. Wheels on this side, I did see just a little mark in that there. Nothing major, but just wanted to point that out. Otherwise, just beautiful. Check out the door panel here, the nice stitching, the cool looking grille there. And here's our front seats. We'll scan the seats here. Just as nice on this side. And then we got the blind spot monitor in the mirror. You can see that little triangle there. Down here we have the memory package for your driver, power locks, mirrors, windows. And it does have the power folding mirrors there. Here's your liftgate button there. Show you the dash. So it has heads-up display as well, so that will project onto the windshield. Our door jambs on this side here. We got our pedals here. Again, 8-way power seat. We'll scan the seat here. See the nice bucket seats here. Let's jump in. Close up the door here. We got the nice vents over here. Down here, we got your headlight controls. On the steering, we got manual tilt and telescopic wheel. You got your signals over here. Then we got your cruise control there. On this side here, we got your audio, and then we got your windshield wipers here. All right, we'll start it up. It's a push button start. The start button's right here. All right, we'll zoom out. You can see this wheel. So nice leather wheel here. We got the nice contours on the steering wheel. The nice free spoke design steering wheel with the BMW in the center there. Coming into the gauge cluster, fully digital. As you can see, mileage only 7,726 kilometers. Up in the visor here, you got the map lights here. Here's your light sensitive mirror. And then down here, we got this nice large touchscreen. So you can see it's got navigation. We got your radio controls, telephone, your my BMW, weather, route preview here, traffic conditions there. We'll just hit the home button here, and you can see the widgets here, the icons. So we have Android Auto. Let's go back here. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, your navigation. So let's just hit that there so you can see that. So there's their full navigation there. And I'm going to throw it in reverse so we can see the reverse camera here. So you can see it's got a 360 camera as well. There's your reverse with the park sensors. I'll put it back in park here. Let's show you down here. We got the nice vent here. Down here we got this nice, really cool wireless charging station for your cell phone. And this pops open here so you can connect in there and charge it if you don't want to. 2 cup holders there, media buttons here, and then we have your automatic shifter here, and then we got your radio controls here, audio, and the different modes here. So you can see you got different modes. So you got your personal, active, sport, efficient, expressive, digital art. So all kinds of cool stuff there. Down here we got the console here. I'll just open that up. So you can store some stuff in here. Not real large, but you can still store some items. And then if you look underneath, we got lots of storage there. All right, we'll open up the door next. The light should be on. Let's give it a few revs. One more time. All right, you hear that turbo kick in there. Close up the door here. We'll make our way to the front. Here's our LED headlights there. And you can see how well this vehicle looks. Super shiny. What an attractive vehicle. I'll show you back here those LED tail lights and watch it spin. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2023 BMW X1 xDrive28i SAB. It's got the Premium Enhanced Package, a 2-liter 4-cylinder, and is painted in Black Sapphire Metallic on black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.